In the industrial manufacturing and trades area here at the college, we have several areas to choose from. We have our forklift training, our forklift safety training, then we also have a computer numerical control CNC operator. We have a level 1, a level 2, and we also have a new 80 to work CNC program as well, and we offer welding training. Our CNC operator course is offered in the spring each year, so typically February to March timeframe, our operator level 1s and 2s occur. Our 80 to work is currently occurring bi-monthly. Currently, forklift is offered once a month. Our 80 to work program, we have a couple added little bonuses and perks within that course. One thing is that we have some mentorship that's a part of that program. Also, a part of that is they do field trips or tours out to different industry partners, and also a part of it is that we allow our students or give them the opportunity to have an interview with some of our industry partners. For our CNC courses, we do have Workkeys Prerequisites. Workkeys is a standardized test. You can take that here at the college through our assessment center. For our forklift safety training, the certification that you could get is a 3-year certification through the National Safety Council. With that you only have to renew that every 3 years. The advantage of having that industry credential is that is, number one, it's a national credential that is transportable, and it gives you an additional bonus when applying to companies knowing that you have that certification. Our CNC Operator Level 2 program has a NIM certification attached to it, and it's a national recognized credential based on some of the skill sets that you've learned within the course. That helps you stand out to an employer when they know that you have those skills already and you have a certification, as opposed to just having it listed and saying you have that actual knowledge base there.